name is Luke Allen. I'm a technician that just completed the safety on this 2017 Honda CR-V. I'm just going to run through what we did just to make sure that this SUV passed the safety with flying colors. Okay, so first things first. This 1.5 liter engine just got brand new oil in it. We just completed an oil change. Air filters, both the air and cabin filter have been changed, as well as the wiper blades are brand new. So you don't have to worry about any of those for quite a while. The body of this CR-V is in fantastic shape. There's very little scratches or dings. Both front and rear pads and rotors have now been serviced. As you can see, there's a lot of lubrication between the pads and the shims, so you don't have to worry about any type of brake noise or anything. These Bridgestone tires are still in great shape. As you can see, it's still above the wear bar. It's got about 5 mil left remaining, so there's still tons of life left in there as well. Okay, the interior of the vehicle looks great. The trim pieces are in really good condition. All seat belts and everything work great. There are no warnings on the dash at this time, so everything in here is fantastic. So, all in all, this vehicle is good to go. If you'd like to come down and give it a test drive, give us a call, and it could be all yours.